Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today I want to kind of a weird video today because my dad subscribed to me, so now I have 14 subscribers. I can't even do that many, my fingers, so yeah. And thank you for you guys, my fans, for subscribing, because you don't know what it means to me to have 14 subscribers. I'm kind of lucky because Geoman has 8, but really do subscribe to him. Whenever he says subscribe to Geoman, do it, because really, yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, sorry I had to go to the toilet, but yeah, thank you guys so much. And because I've got 14 subscribers, I'm going to do something special. So, my dad's auntie when she went on holiday, got me and Geoman some sweet sticks with sweets on them. So I'm going to show. Hey guys, whoa! Here it is. It's giant. It is bigger than my head. I hope that's a picture for the video. Oh, and it smells like a candy shop. I'm going to try the first piece. Let's go. Okay, I might change the camera angle. So guys, the first piece. The first piece has been taken off. Going to be taken off in any second now. It's a little marshmallow. Chubby Bunny. I think it's Chubby Bunny challenges this. Oh, my voice. So guys, that's all I have time for this video. So bye.